What's up everyone, it's that Math Magician, and on this video we're taking a look at systems of equations and we're going to see which method should we use. We have substitution, elimination, equal values method, 3 of them to choose from, and we're going to get a system kind of like this and see which method we should use. So we have this following system: 3x plus y equals 1 and 4x plus y equals 2, and we want to figure out what is the best method to use. Now, right away, I am noticing that our x variables are lined up, then we have our y variables lined up, and then they're both equaling these constant numbers at the end. I think this is a prime candidate for elimination method, right? Elimination methods, when we have them all nicely lined up in columns like that, where I can add the equations together and hopefully get a variable to drop out. Now, as it stands though, I think if I were to write a big plus sign and an equal sign, I don't think anything is getting eliminated right now, right? 3x plus 4x would give me 7x's, y plus y would give me 2y's, it equals 3. Nothing got eliminated. So sometimes when we do these elimination problems, we first have to do an extra step. And in this case, right, I have positive y's. It'd be really nice if I made one of those negative, because if one of those is negative, then I can eliminate them and we would be super happy. So let's do that. Let's make the top. You could do the bottom as well, but I'm going to do the top. Let's multiply that top equation by -1. By multiplying this guy by -1, I'm going to end up with a negative y variable, which is what I want. So bottom equation stays exactly the same. 4x plus y equals 2. But notice for the first equation, every term has to be multiplied by -1, which really means every sign changes. So 3x becomes -3x's, positive y becomes -y, and it'll now equal -1. So all we've done is taken that top equation, multiplied it by -1, and now I get to just zoom in on this guy. If I do my big plus sign and my equal bar for elimination method, these y's zero out. They are out of there. They have been eliminated, which is what we wanted. All right, let's finish this problem out. -3x's plus 4x's. Well, that's just going to make a positive x, right? It's a positive x right there. The y's were zeroed out. We'll write our equal sign. -1 plus 2 is just 1. Look at that. We have already solved for one variable. We know that x equals 1. All right, our very last step then is to figure out what y equals. So again, you pick one of the equations. We're going to input x as 1, and we're going to solve for y. I'm going to keep using that top equation because I liked it. So I'm going to take this top equation, 3x plus y equals 1, but instead of writing x, I know that x equals 1. So I'm going to plug in a 1 there. Alrighty, let's see. 3 times 1 just gives me 3. And to get y by itself, I want to get rid of the plus 3. So I will -3 on both sides. And it looks like y is going to end up equaling 1 minus 3, which is going to be -2. So for this problem here, the point of intersection where those two lines are meeting is the point 1, -2. Alrighty, this is a great example of having a system, right? Looking at the parts of it and how is it set up, and recognizing that it's a great candidate for elimination method. Alright everyone, it's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.